Most contractors assume all construction software does the same thing. That assumption is exactly where costly mistakes happen. Here's the truth no one tells you. Workyard and Buildertrend are not competing in the same category, even though many people compare them directly in 2026. In this video, you'll understand what each tool actually does, where they overlap, and which one is better for your specific type of contracting business. Let's start with Workyard. Workyard is built around one core idea: tracking and understanding field workforce activity. A contractor like Alex can see where workers are, how long they stay on job sites, and how much labor each project is consuming in real time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Workyard is not trying to manage your entire project lifecycle. It focuses mainly on GPS time tracking, scheduling visibility, and job costing accuracy. But here's the problem. Many contractors think that alone is enough to run a business. It is not. Workyard tells you what your crew is doing, but it does not manage the full project workflow. Now, let's look at Buildertrend. Buildertrend is designed as an all-in-one construction management platform. A contractor like Jake can manage schedules, budgets, client communication, change orders, and even project documentation in one place. This is where the difference becomes clear. Workyard focuses on field labor visibility. Buildertrend focuses on full project management from start to finish. So how do they compare in real-world use? If your biggest challenge is tracking labor hours, improving payroll accuracy, or understanding where time is being lost, Workyard is extremely effective. It gives you a clear picture of your workforce activity. But if your biggest challenge is managing entire projects, communicating with clients, and coordinating multiple moving parts, Buildertrend is the stronger option. Now here's something most contractors miss. These tools are often not direct replacements. In some cases, they can even complement each other. One handles workforce tracking, while the other handles project coordination. But let's simplify the decision. If you are a small to mid-sized contractor focused on residential builds and client management, Buildertrend usually delivers more value. If you are running multiple crews and want precise visibility into labor costs and field activity, Workyard becomes more powerful. The biggest mistake contractors make is choosing based on popularity instead of operational need. That leads to underused software and wasted money. So the real takeaway is simple. Workyard helps you understand your workforce. Buildertrend helps you run your projects. The better choice depends entirely on what problem you are trying to solve. If you are still unsure, think about your biggest daily challenge. If it is labor tracking, Workyard wins. If it is project coordination, Buildertrend wins. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more construction software comparisons like this.